Welcome back, guys. So the next topic is delete values and how to delete the things. So we have a different option into the edit menu, that delete values. So the delete value only delete the content of the cell. You can see here it will only delete the value, it will not delete the format of the cell. For example, now next is delete row 7. So what will happen? It will delete the entire row number 7. For example, this is our row number 7, right? So I have option here also, but we will go menu by menu. So if I select this cell and I want to delete this row, I will select delete row 7. Automatically it will delete entire row. And next option is same like row, we can delete column. We have a delete column E. So if I select E, you guys can see the automatically the entire E column has been removed from the sheet. So the next thing is delete cell and shift up. This is an this will only delete the value and shift the cell up this way. There is nothing special in this. This is a very simple thing. Same way, this will shift left and it will delete the value. So you guys can see how we can delete the value. And then we have a very small option here is, that is clear notes. Notes is something which we added to a particular cell. So whenever we click on that, it appear in front of us. For example, here I want to add some note. So just right click on that and click on. Here we have an option like insert notes. So here you can information about it's a Kodemine is a learning platform, right? So we can save in this way. So whenever we click here, it automatically gives us information, right? So this is a note. So if we only want to delete the note, we just need to click on clear note. Automatically you can see the black point from the top right side will be removed. So here is we can clear the nodes. So these are the very beautiful options available into the Google Sheet. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you guys have any query, question, just comment into the comment box. Please like, share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.